Hello everyone, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chlorophyll, what it is, how it works, and the amazing health benefits it offers. So, grab a seat because we're about to embark on a green journey that's as informative as it is enriching. What is chlorophyll? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is chlorophyll? Well, simply put, chlorophyll is the pigment responsible for the green color in plants and algae. It plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy, ultimately producing oxygen and carbohydrates. Chlorophyll is often referred to as the lifeblood of plants because it allows them to harness sunlight and create the energy they need to grow, thrive, and sustain life. Interestingly, chlorophyll's molecular structure is quite similar to that of human hemoglobin, which is why it's often touted for its potential health benefits. How does chlorophyll benefit health? Now that we understand what chlorophyll is, let's explore its remarkable health benefits. Detoxification. Chlorophyll is known for its detoxifying properties. It can help eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, promoting overall well-being and supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Antioxidant power. As an antioxidant, chlorophyll helps combat free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, chlorophyll protects our cells and supports healthy aging. Alkalizing effect. Chlorophyll has an alkalizing effect on the body, which is beneficial for balancing pH levels. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is linked to better immune function, improved energy levels, and overall vitality. Blood health. Due to its structural similarity to hemoglobin, chlorophyll is believed to support blood health by promoting the production of red blood cells and enhancing oxygen transport. This can lead to increased energy levels and improved stamina. Digestive support. Chlorophyll has been studied for its potential to support digestive health. It may help alleviate digestive issues, such as bloating and gas, and promote a healthy gastrointestinal environment. Now that we've covered the health benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate chlorophyll into your daily routine. Here are some easy and delicious ways. Leafy greens. Load up on leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula, which are rich in chlorophyll. Try adding them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Chlorophyll supplements. Consider taking chlorophyll supplements available in liquid, capsule, or powder form. These supplements provide a concentrated dose of chlorophyll for added health benefits. Green superfoods. Incorporate green superfood powders or drinks into your diet. These blends often contain chlorophyll-rich ingredients like spirulina, chlorella, and wheatgrass. Herbal teas. Enjoy herbal teas made from chlorophyll-rich herbs such as parsley, cilantro, or mint. These teas not only provide chlorophyll, but also offer various other health-promoting compounds. In conclusion, chlorophyll is a powerhouse pigment with numerous health benefits, from detoxification and antioxidant protection to supporting blood health and digestion. By incorporating chlorophyll-rich foods and supplements into your diet, you can harness the incredible potential of this green marvel for a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and green.